Hello everyone. I'm going to talk about the rank and percentile function in today's lecture. Okay, I'll rename it rank and percentile. You can find the link to this sheet in the goal sheet analysis sheet on the video. In the video description, I'll provide the link for this particular sheet. So let us understand what the rank and percentile function can do and how I can compare the rank of a particular data set, data point into with two different parameters. So here I've got, let's say, certain number of students, 25 students whose marks in statistics and marketing are given. And I just wanted to understand how they are ranked in different subjects. Is there any relationship between these two subjects or not? And So let's start with the thing. It's very straightforward function. You just need to get to data analysis, and there you just need to see rank and percentile function right here. You can see that this rank and percentile function. So eventually, what I'm going to do is in this business analytics lecture series on Excel, I'll be covering this data analysis tab. I'll be using regression and correlation. So today we are going to talk about rank and percentile. I click OK. It asks me for input range, so I will be first, let's say, selecting statistics marks only. So I've selected all the marks of statistics, and right after that, I have arranged my data with respect to columns. So there might be a possibility that you have arranged your data with respect to row, then you'll select rows. There are labels in first row. Absolutely, my first column heading is there. I'm going to do it on the same worksheet. So I'll select output range and let me put it in this particular cell right here. And I click OK. And that's it. A wonderful rank analysis immediately pops out. You can see that point 10 means the entry which is at 10th particular portion. You can see my cursor here, that entry at the 10th position, scoring 95 marks, statistics 95 marks, and the rank of the student is 1. And so on, you can see the student at the position 23 scoring 94 marks here, and his rank is 2, and the percentage of marks are 95%, and so on. You can see how all the 25 students are ranked. Rank 1 is the highest. Rank 1 is right here with the highest marks, and rank 25 is with the lowest marks. So there are 20 ranks are given till 24th, and that is pretty much understandable also because two students are getting 24 and 24 ranks. Their marks are same. That means 40 and 40. So, if you want to understand how manually the ranks are given, you can watch my video on Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. So, what I'm going to do next is I'll do a analysis where I'm to compare the rank between marketing and statistics. I will advise the students to run an independent rank function for marketing marks. So, I'm going to go to data again. Again, I'm going to go to data analysis. Select the rank and percentile function from here and click OK. And this time what I'm going to do is in my input range, rather than just selecting only statistics marks, I will be selecting statistics and marketing. And rest of the things I'm not changing. The data is arranged with respect to columns, labels in first row. I'm going to paste this output in F2. Let me select F1 this time. Okay, fair enough. This is where I have committed a mistake. This is where I wanted to select F1. So I'm going to select F1 here and I click OK. Okay, that's wonderful. So it gives me the rank of the statistics marks and rank of the marketing marks. Let us suppose I want to compare the ranks. That means if a student is getting rank 1 in marketing, rank 2 in the student sitting at position 21 is getting first rank in marketing, then what is the rank of this student? So let me change this particular data a bit, certain headings, so your understanding becomes better. So I'm saying this is ID of the student. So a student with the ID 21, which is actually right here, and in marketing is scoring 95. And what is the rank of this student in statistics? So marketing rank. So what I'm going to do is let me compare these particular ranks. So this is the rank in marketing. So I will write in marketing, and then I'm going to enter a new column, rank in statistics. So how much, what exactly this student number 25. So I'm just marking this particular column once again, and I'm telling you my objective. So I want to understand actually that if a student number 21 whose marketing marks are 95, whose rank 1 is in marketing, what is his rank in statistics? That's I want to understand. So I will be smartly using a VLOOKUP function, which I've taught you in earlier class. So just bear with me and understand the logic carefully for next few minutes. So I'm going to use a VLOOKUP function. So lookup value. So what I want to see is this student ID 21, right? So lookup value is 21, and I want the VLOOKUP function to search this in this particular data set table array, and I'm to freeze it because I'm going to use it throughout. So function F4 is the key which I'm going to use it. Then column index. That means I want to check student number 21 in this table. What is his rank? So I want to see third column. Column index is third. I want to check the rank of statistics. So I write third column. It is in third column 1, 2, 3 of the selected table array, and I want an exact match. So I just say exact match. So I click on false, and okay, let me just go to false, and that's it. And I hit enter. So you can see that student number 21, whose rank in marketing is 1, his rank in statistics is 15. Let me cross check it. Student number 21, what is his rank in statistics? 50. Working absolutely fine. I can shoot it down, and that's it. I got the entire thing. So anybody who's scoring lowest in whose rank is lowest in marketing, his rank is actually 21 in statistics, and so on. So the comparative ranks can be seen from here. And if you probably want to see it through a graph chart or something, you can do something of that sort, which gives you a little bar that if student is red is rank in stats and blue is the rank in marketing. Or you can do another chart. So you probably want to do a kind of line chart. That is what you can do. So rank in marketing and rank in statistics comparatively, how those, so one student, so first rank, like, okay, so the student who is having first rank in marketing is actually having 15th rank in statistics. So that's how rank and percentile function works. You can have three series here. You can have marks in one more, and you can simply see that how a student is ranked in different subject areas. So thank you for this video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you very much.